Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to use, it says use this standard normal distribution table here. And they give you the area and they want you to find the z-score. Okay, so we're given the blue part. And so in your particular problem, you did repeat the number twice, but you know, I think the area is 0.049, so you want to look that up in this table. And so you look down here for 0.049 and you say it's between these two numbers. It's right in the middle of these two numbers. If it was closer to one of the two numbers, then you just pick it. But since it's right in the middle of the two, you're supposed to pick the number that's right in the middle of these two. And so let's see, it would be negative 1.6, negative 1.6. You know, that comes from this row here, negative 1.6, and then it looks like it's between 5 and 6 there. And so halfway between those would be 5, 5. So I just pick this number and put a 5 on it, and that's the answer. I hope that helps.